Okay, hi everybody on YouTube. There's my really hilarious sister. Yeah. Okay, anyway, these are our birds that I was mentioning. There's a little silver bill, because his bill is silver. Anyway. And his name is Freckles. Then we got a bunch of zebra finches here. And I just changed their water, so they're probably going to go down and have a nice bath. So if we, oh, ow. So if we give them some space, I'll probably go down.
Nice.
Very nice. She's gonna get right in the water. Or not. Make me look like a liar, that's fine.
You should do the first one there.
He's just like,
They're
oh
more
my word,
interesting.
I see myself. Because there's a mirror on the bottom of it. You guys being more interesting?
Yes, away.
Oh. I think he fell in the water. What did I do? Oh, okay. And there's our brave girl, sitting on the food dish. Nothing phases her. Oh my gosh! I missed him in the water dish. He's gonna follow her example. Yay! Mm-hmm. Oh, look at he's in the water. They make a huge mess, that's why we've had to put this barrier around it. But up here you see their failed attempt at building a nest. It was actually pretty cool, and there was like 11 eggs in there because a bunch of them were sharing the eggs. I mean the nest. And then they started to take the nest apart, and all of them but 3 fell here. And I think I actually saw one stuck in the bars here. Yeah, there's one stuck in the bars. It's cracked open and gonzo though. So it's very cool.
It's very cool.
Anyway, that's it for the bird video. Say goodbye. Au revoir. Yes, thank you. You're very nice. Yes, you are. That's Streak. And Devlin. Okay. I don't know what I said, but she started laughing hysterically. Okay, goodbye.